She said on her IG post, at Taylor Zakhar Perez, sneaking up on me trying to steal my Uber Eats after judging me for ordering so much. I see you. Not even that smile got him a bite. Taylor Zakhar Perez replied, I did steal Uber Eats. She replied, you know me, I love my snacks. Taylor Zakhar Perez greeted her on her birthday. Happy brilliant birthday, a Joey King. Honestly, I could write about this woman all day. She is the reason I joined the KB2 family. She welcomed me with open arms and love. She supported me. She pushed me. She made me laugh, like pee my pants laughter and had to check my underwear. She inspired me to be a better actor. She shared her family with me. The list goes on. Grateful for you forever. Hashtag TBT. And Joey King replied, can't imagine my life without you. I love you. Who's your bet? The birthday girl Joey King or Bianca Bosch?